Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Kia Sportage cruise control step by step. Start by finding the cruise control buttons on the steering wheel or stalk and check your owner's manual for location specifics. Turn the system on while driving at a safe, steady speed and select cruise set to lock current speed. Use the resume and cancel buttons to manage engagement and always monitor traffic and road conditions while cruise is active. To set cruise speed, accelerate to the speed you want and press the set button gently to lock it in, then relax your foot. If your Sportage has adaptive cruise, adjust the following distance with the distance control buttons for safer spacing. Use the plus and minus controls to change speed by small increments instead of large jumps. Always be ready to cancel with the brake or steering input when road conditions require manual control. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car guides. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for a durable, comfy pair with a lifetime warranty that outlasts road trips and long drives. I find them hilariously resilient when steering wheel foot warmers fail. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Adaptive cruise control can ease highway driving, but it is not hands-free, so keep attention on the road and hands near the wheel. Confirm whether your model supports stop and go or lane centering, and test adaptive gaps in light traffic to learn response times. In poor visibility or dense urban driving, reduce speed or switch to manual control for safety. Regularly update your vehicle software and consult the manual for model-specific behaviors and limits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.